Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel The Corporate Yogi. Today I'll be teaching you all Bakasana or the crow pose. This pose is basically important to build strength in your arms so that when you actually move to the advanced asanas, this pose will help you build the strength in your arms and balance your body completely. So let us see how to do the pose today. So first what we'll do is we'll do a bit of warm up. All you have to do is twist your wrist, pull it front and back, and then just swing the movements in your legs. So now keep your hands firm on the ground, lift your body up and start swinging it or moving it ahead and behind. This is a good practice actually to warm up because it is actually opening up your wrist for the pose. Also there are some muscles in your legs which actually get stretched. Keep doing this for the next maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and now you can start moving your legs ahead. So maybe you can lift your right leg ahead and then left leg ahead, and then repeat the same again, left leg ahead. And now what we'll do is we will actually come in that position. Now you have to observe how I'm doing it. Before that we are actually doing some wrist warm up again, moving the wrist in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction so that while we are practicing that pose, it does not bring up a lot of stress on our wrist. Now keep doing this for the next 10 to 15 seconds so that it will help you while you are actually practicing that pose. Now just observe how this pose is done. Okay, you have to keep your hands firm on the ground and then slowly start lifting your body, wherein you actually touch your knees on your triceps and lift your body. So this is the pose that we actually want to achieve. Now that you have seen that how Bakasana is done, now let us see that how we can do it step by step so that it will be easier for you. So I'll give you all two tricks into it. So now let's first move into the first trick, that is you have to keep your hands firm on the ground and then touch your elbows to your knees, or else you can just keep your knees close to your elbows. That is one trick. Or if you are very much comfortable keeping your knees on your triceps, even that is fine. Now first, to lift your body up, see how I've lifted my body up. You have to lift your body up and slowly start pushing your body downwards, that is your head downwards, and try to bring your legs a little upwards. You can keep swinging in this position for some time, wherein you can try and see how comfortable you are with this position and keep swinging. Okay, now that you are able to bring your legs up, try to push your body more further downward side, so your head moving it more downwards, and then try to do it slowly if possible. Keep swinging in that position, and now you can try holding in that position if you are able to. Maybe you can hold it for next 5 seconds or 10 seconds at least at the start, and once you are able to hold it for 10 seconds, then you can go for a much longer time. And you can also keep your head touching on the ground if you want to practice it, because that will help you build some strength in your arms. Now what we can do is we will move to the second trick of it, wherein you can use some props which is at your home, or maybe if you have something, maybe it could be a book over there in front of your head or a pillow in front of your head, so that when you actually pull your head downwards, you will not bang. Now that you have the props with you, what we can do is we can do it for the one final time, where you have to keep your hands firm on the ground, knees on your triceps, elevate your body, and then slowly lift your body, lift your legs up. Try to be in this position for as much time as you can. This will build up a lot of strength in your arms when you actually move to the advanced position, and then come down slowly. So this is actually how you achieve the Bakasana or the crow pose. Practicing this pose daily will actually build a lot of strength in your arms and will help you when you move to the advanced asanas. Thank you.